Cardio Wednesday. I've got all these weird shadows going on. I was actually out gardening, and I said, why do we have to get dressed to do fitness? So I've got my hula hoop here. I love this hula hoop. You may not be able to hear me, but we're going to do some interval training. Do you like my fancy outfit? I was out gardening today, so I just got in, and I needed a little bit of a workout. So I'm just going to take my hula hoop, and we're going to do some interval training. I'm going to work about a minute with my hula hoop to work coordination, a little speed work across my abdominals. It is weighted, so I'm actually feeling this all across my belly. I've got about 10 seconds left, and then I'm going to interval today with tubing. So just hang out, follow along. Hope you have a hula hoop. Just get set down, and in between my sets, we're going to try and work different body parts. So again, you don't have to get into your fancy outfit to work out. I'm doing shoulders. All the work I did in the garden was below my shoulders. So this is how you cross-train the real world right here. I'm just putting some music on and having a good time. Hi guys. Push. Of course I can't see what you're writing, but ask me any questions. Let me know if you dig my fancy outfit. But it was fun to work in the garden. Everything kind of died from the heat, so I'm just replacing things. That was my shoulder work. Now dynamic power. Push. Party on the dance floor, right here. Last 5 seconds. I'm going to go back to my hula hoop. Turn it on top. And again, if you're not that coordinated, I'll go get that. It doesn't matter. Just trying to hula hoop is going to train that brain. And I'm not very good at it. I'm keeping my abdominals really tight. But I really like to hula hoop. I think it's a really fun way to go. I can move a little bit. I can turn a little bit. Hi guys. Hopefully a new song will come on. I've got about another 30 seconds. I'm going to try and make it go as fast as I can. So that's also a skill. And I'm going to also try my other leg in front next. Whew. I'm starting to feel that. I got 10 seconds left. Remember, I'm doing a minute of each. Back and forth. Pretty simple. 10 seconds left. I've got a little timer on the table. You can slow it down and then speed it up. Bring it on down. I'm going to step on it. Right here, abduction. So completely different than what I just did. And then let's do a quick punch. Keeping that heart rate up. It is Cardio Wednesday, by the way. Punch it. Love that. Feel that in the glutes. Feel that in the core. I hope you're all having a great week. Try and do at least 5 minutes every day. And that way, you're always working on something. Here, stuck. Punch it out. Again, you don't need fancy clothes to work out. I'm just going to throw these in the wash. Pop in the shower. All right, I got 10 more seconds. Push. I'm feeling it in my glutes, my abdominals, my arms now. 2 more seconds for my minute. And then here we go. Another side of hula hoop. This time, I'm going to try doing my left leg front. And every few seconds, I'm going to try and take a step. So give yourself a little challenge. Even if it's just a step challenge, it's going to give you something to work on. Oh my. Now some people are so fancy. They can do it on their arms, on their neck. For me, just keeping a rhythm is challenging. Oh my goodness. I've got 20 seconds left. Here I come. Got about 10 more seconds left. Oh my goodness, it just slowed down. So it's coordination. I have to really think when I'm trying to keep it going. Always great for an interval, no doubt. Put it on down. And I'm going to do a series of squats. So these are called negative squats. because as you go up, it gets harder. And then I'm just going to add an arm. Push. This way I'm getting a whole body workout. I'm going to do one more set of hula hoop, and I'm out of here. This is a hula hoop from Whammo. Nothing fancy. It's a little weighted. Push. Try and get those squats in quick. Notice my knees though. They're still. I'm not allowing my weight in my toes. Press. I've got 5 more seconds. I'm going to hold it and add dynamics. Last 3, 2, 1. Let's do it. Oh, heart rate is up. Pose. We're off. We've got 1 more minute, and I'm going to say my goodbyes on this Cardio Wednesday. Go out and buy yourself a hula hoop. Just playing around in front of the TV is lots of fun. Uh-oh, here I go. That was a turn. Okay, now I'm going to try and go as fast as I can for the last 20 seconds. Uh-oh, that didn't help. I smiled and it slowed down. Last 15 seconds, let's try the other leg. Definitely not as good in my life. Gotta work on it. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and I'm out of here. Have a great day, everyone. Hula, hula.